Hi, welcome to the channel. In this video, you learn exactly how to use the pivot point trading strategy. What are pivot points? Pivot points are predefined price levels used by traders to forecast market direction. They are calculated using the previous day's high, low, and close, and help identify potential support and resistance zones. Pivot point formula. The central pivot point is calculated as high plus low plus close divided by 3. From this, we calculate resistance levels R1, R2 and R3 and support levels S1, S2 and S3. These act as guideposts for potential entry and exit levels. How to take trades? By trade setup. If the market opens above the pivot point and pulls back to test it, look for a bullish reversal near the pivot or S1. Confirm with indicators like RSI or a bullish candlestick pattern. Enter the trade when price shows clear signs of support. Set your stop loss just below S1. Target R1 or R2 for your take profit. Sell trade setup. If the price opens below the pivot point and rallies back to test it, watch for a bearish reversal near the pivot or R1. Enter short once price starts to reject resistance. Place your stop loss just above R1. Set take profit at S1 or S2. Breakout trades. When price breaks strongly above R1 or below S1 with volume, it may signal a breakout. Enter on the break and retest of the level, and use the next pivot level as your target. Risk management. Always manage risk. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your trading capital per trade. Use proper stop loss and position sizing based on volatility. Pivot points work best in trending and volatile markets, especially during the first few hours of market open. Avoid using them in sideways or choppy markets. Thank you for watching.